Today, today we'll discuss about the Java export and import. So Java export and import procedure here. Java export and import. So normally during the few times we may get the situation to export the Java systems and import into the other systems here. Suppose when you are doing the system copy for above systems, for what we are doing the backup and restore option or SWPM export and import, right? So same way for Java also, we are doing the backup and restore will not give much results for the Java systems here. But export import will give you the exact data here. So that's why using the using SWPM tool, we will do the exports, Java exports. Then choosing the SWPM tool, we will export the dump. Using the SWPM tool, we will import the systems also here. So for this one, we have to go to the SWPM tool, just SWPM tool, go to the log, just to open the one of the user here. So they already, there might be a SAP NST. So NGD is our system. And it's not started. Let me start. Okay. So here, go to the NetWeaver 7.5, same as like in the above systems, how we will go to the above systems and exported. Here, system, then system copy, source system, then based upon the as Java, then export, database export here. Then go to the target system, copy the export dump, single standard based upon the as Java, then standard. So we can import it here. So like that we have to perform for the target system here. So now we are in the source, right? Source system based upon the as Java, then database export here. Database export here. Just we can perform the export of the database here. So for export or import or installations or system copy, homogeneous or heterogeneous. So this is the best procedure. Best procedure means this will be used actually. Export and import method will be used. So mainly SWPM tool usage you should be required here. How to use the SWPM tool for export or import or system copy or system build or rename option or uninstallation. So this be required here. Okay, so profile directory means so ngd, well, because based upon the as java we selected, so java export, so ngd is our java system, so we selected the njd. So here, so administrator password, so sid adm password, provide the sid adm password. For java, instead of backup and restore method, so export import is the best option for other use cases also. Suppose you are moving the system from on-premise to, so on-premise to, so cloud, or on-premise to another system, or on-premise to another OS. So target must be different anything. So here Java export and import method, Java export and import will be used here. So this is the source. This is the source here. So this is the target here. This is the target here. Either this should be the same or should be different or should be anything. But export import will help work here. Export import will work here. So what is the existing SID NJD, right? Just click on the OK button here. Okay. So export location, where we want to take the export, Java export here. What is the location here? So then if you just provide the path of the Java exports, Java export, just provide the path for the your E drive, this will be exported, right? So you want to stop the SAP system, is optional. Just click the uncheck button. So if you want to stop the SAP system, just manually stop the SAP system, then export will be so taken. Otherwise, just ignore it while system is up, where export will be taken here. While system is up, export will be so generated here. Export means it kind of exports. So then if you can go to the target system, then you can import it. You can import it here. So passphrase key is very important here. Passphrase key here. So the key which we get from the config tool, the passphrase key. So just we have to provide that passphrase key here. So whatever we have given, so that keys we is a very important here. So otherwise we can reset it in the config tool itself here. Just go to the system config tool. There is an option to reset the passphrase key. So that is a very important for the Java systems. So for above system, it does not require anything. For above Java system, passphrase key is very important here. Just you can just do that one. Just click on the next button. So parallel number of jobs, unload jobs here. So 20 jobs here. So 20 is not much required. 10 is enough. Sorry, 10. Then we can provide it because system will be overloaded. So just click on the OK next button. So review. I'm audible, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, yeah. Just review the parameters. Just click on the OK button. Now it is executing the services here. So it's executing the services here. The data, so oh, fast. So now it will take time exporting the Java systems here. Here in the export file, it's created the Java and everything. For ABAP, it's created the ABAP or something. For Java, it's created the these things here. No, I'm not audible. Wait, rejoin. Getting the table sizes, calculating the optimum number of packages, table splittings, table sizes. Voting schema. Yeah, now jobs are starting now. So this step, exporting the data from Java database, it will take time. Why? Because here all the jobs will get exported. All the jobs will, so jobs are running 20 jobs. It will export all the data and everything here. Either in the same system or in the different system, we can do the imports. So 10 jobs parallelly running, pending 9, 1 completed. So let's see. So let's check the size here. So here, while system is running, we are doing this one. While system is running, we are doing the export here. It's not like that client export and yeah, it kind of client export and import method. Client export import, it will create the some files in the trans directory. Here, it is asking the export and import method, export file. So we are just exporting the data and we are building the new system with a copy of existing system. Same kind of above, whatever we have done, right? Same kind of above. So we can build the one more system, one more Java system, we can build it. Or in the same host or different host, we can build it here. So that is possible here. So what we can do, let me take it the one more host we have here, 3391. Here, let's see. So we can copy it to the here. Well, because here we don't have any Java systems. So we can copy it to the here. So let's see. In the same system, we can go to the here. Let's check here. We have SAP softwares, SWPM. Just click on the SAP IFSC. Just doing the preparation activities for the source system, target system here. So here we are doing the host change. Here we have the NJD on SAP Windows 1. Here we are moving to the NJD on target host is called the SAP Windows. SAP Windows is the target host. We are moving to the here from source to target here. So what we are doing, we have done the export, then moving the export files to the target location. Either target is the on-premise or so anything at the cloud. Also same Java exports. Then using the SWPM, we can do the import option here. So either target is or anything. So we can do the export and import. Here exports. So main thing is the SWPM latest versions are very important here. And 7.5, right? So SQL Server target also same. System copy, then target system standard based upon the as Java standard system, right? So standard system copy method which chosen here, right? So that is the important here. The options which you chosen here are the very important. Right. You can see completed 100% is exported. It's done. Done. Export is done here. Okay. So this export file I'm copying from source to my target location 3391 location I'm copying here. So here where we have here, okay, I'm copying to the here. So Windows, right? I use the copy option. Oh, it's taking very longer time. What I will do here, I will create the share here. Share what? Sharing. Then I will go to the target location. The target location, Java exports, copy the Java export, go to the C drive, SAP software, paste. Very simple one. So typical kind of same system installation using the existing backup. Same kind of system with same data you will get to the here as well. Okay, done. Export file I copied to the this location as well. Okay, so let's continue with the import Java import option. So here, so it is asking the JVM file, Java VM file, JVM. So I think we don't have JVM file. Let's download. So here, if you don't download, if you click this button, it will directly go to the download button, download symbol here. Mm, mm, uh, So it will go to the JVM in case of if you miss any file. So this is the situation. Like we have to go to the service marketplace again. We have to download. And good thing is here you will get the direct hyperlink here. If you click it out, directly it will go to the software downloads folder. There select your operating system. Then click on the power file here. So it will be downloaded. So then we can provide the location to. Okay, JVM, right. The main thing is instead of exports location, here it will ask the export dump location where we have exported that folder location. It will ask it. then it will build the new system copy of the existing one. That is the Java system copy using export and import methods. So SID, if you want to maintain the same SID, we can maintain it. We want to change the SID, we can change the SID. Okay. So how we want to go, that is our wish. So if we want to maintain the same SID, we can use same NJD. We want to different, we can give the different also. That is our wish, how we want to go. Okay. So here I am giving the different SID here. Okay. NJQ quality. So we can use this shape. FQDN is not required. So export OS INDEP. So location here. Export OS INDEP. Yeah, this is the one. JWE OS INDEP location here. It is asking the this location. Just to provide this location here. Software components location. So password. Click on the next. Okay. So here you can see here the options. Previously we used the backup and restore method, the options, right? So now we are using the standard source system copy migration based. So standard, so system copy based method we are using here. Seven system copy. So migration load based means Java export and import method here. So it will ask the export location. If you use the backup, it will ask the backup location. Now if it is asking the export location here. So DB details I have given. So now what we are doing? We have source NJD Java is running on the SAP Windows 11. So we have exported, then we move the export files to the target location. From here, we are doing the import method here. Means we are building the new system on the different host we are using here, right? So, kernel path. So we have already in the SAP softwares, here we have the kernels are available here. Just to provide the kernels. So giving the inputs is the problem. So means it will take a lot of time and it will read the all the files, validate it, then only it will continue further. Right. So all the kernel files it is accepted. Just going to the next step. Host agent update not required. You have already latest version. So just uncheck it out. If you check it also, it will ask the host agent version. Then we can provide the host agent version. So now it is asking the migration export package location here. The export which we migrated, the export which we have exported, right? Java export. So this is the one we have to give it here. The Java export, the export location, we have to provide it here. So it will read that export now. So that is the main difference here. That is the major difference of the export here. So here J2EE INST, the J2EE INST here, software components. So J2EE INST, this location it is asking now. You have to provide the location of this folder here. Next, Java exports. So Java exports. So these are the software components. These are the software components which we downloaded. So those software components we have so downloaded. It's already in the download folder. So parallel number of jobs 8. Parallel number of jobs 8 here. So here, so maximum 2-3 parallel JSTOS per CPU. Per CPU, we have the 2 per CPU 2. So here, how many CPUs we have? Here we have so 4, 4, 4 into 2, 8, right? 4 into 2, 8. So that's why 8 given here. So if you want to decrease, we can decrease it also here. Why? Because currently system already so utilized by the 40%, 50% it utilized here. Let me make it the 6 here. 6. 6 I am making here. Just click on the next button here. The small system, same installation files only. Instead of exports, it is asking the export dump location, migration export dump location here. So what we are doing, it kind of homogeneous like host migration, like one host we are in the here, then we are moving to the target host here. For this one, software component, what we have to do, we need SWPM tool, then software Java software components, then Java kernels, then host agent. So it's already there. Then DB client and export dump we required. From source, what we required here, SWPM is required. Then Java export location, which where you want to export, either drive or at location. Here we need more. So move the export to the here. It kind of host change, it kind of migration, on-prem to cloud migration. So many things. Java is very simple to migrate here. So passphrase key is very important here, right? If you give wrong passphrase key here, so definitely it will fail now. It will fail now here. If you give the wrong passphrase key, so it will fail it here. So, but the key is correct here, right? The key is correct here. That's why it's saying that key is correct. Why? Because we know that key. So if you forget it, we need to reset. So then again, we have to regenerate the systems here. We have to regenerate the systems here. So regenerate the systems. So instance numbers, how you want to give the instance numbers here. So it's saying that instance numbers here. Okay. So just automatically. So I'm giving the same instance number here. JC, it's unlimited. No SLD. SLD is not required. So later we can integrate to the SLD here. Our same SLD, we can same system, we can make it as a SLD also. Okay. So now review parameter section. Same Java, JVM, homogeneous we selected here, migration, right? Load-based migration here. Then same kernel path, everything we have given. Just click on the OK button. Then the installation will continue now. Like Java migration will continue now here. So let's see here. Right? So this will continue to finish it here. So this is called the one kind of migration, right? So from on-prem to another data center or on-prem to cloud or one building the new system using the source system. There are the multiple use cases we can use it here. So, okay. So this is the Java export or for everything export and import method. So we'll get the exact system data, everything you will get exact same as like NJD. Okay. So that is the one. So that is the for topic for today.